is Shanmukh. I am a fashion model and actor and a public speaker that you know. Today, I am going to teach you my profession second. Already I have teaching public speaking. Can you guess that? Yeah, friends. Today also, no Telugu, just English. In English, today, what is my occasion in fashion work and acting? What I am going to say, can you say? Well, I will give a clue for 5 seconds or 1 minute. You can guess and say in chat box. If it will not come, I give a number in description box. You can call me. And now, so guys, what is this? What is this acting? I have did like this. Next, what is it? I will say it. Yes! Today's topic is acting. Yeah, acting. So in acting, we have many parts like you should have to diploma, but without diploma, now you can learn here. You should subscribe for this. Please subscribe and like our channel. Subscribe and like and comment. If comment section is not there, you can chat me on WhatsApp, but only for doubts, nothing or else. Because in these some videos, the company is locking our comments, so you can only take my number from which you have and doubts. Okay, and now today's acting topic. We have many days, but I will say half. Today our topic is emotions and how to go to emotions and how to do emotions. From emotions, how to do acting. If you got emotions, you can do acting. Now I will say that all. So, how to enter to these emotions? If we want to do acting emotions, how to do? So, first I will say some tips that you have to go in acting, and without diploma you can't go, but you can do small actings. So friends, I will say after one break, because now I have given break because this is the really great opportunity for you for this acting. So take one break and be serious. Don't be, if you did not watch this video, you will not get acting, and you can't see acting and do it. So watch up to end and please subscribe, like, share. Okay friends, also tap the bell symbol. How much you like my profession, how you want to do this profession high level. So please subscribe, like, share and touch the bell symbol. Okay, take the break. So friends, you have taken break, and today we are going to do in this one part. Like we have did public speaking in one part, means no parts. Now I am saying that we should not do in parts. Okay, these memories and handwriting we can do, but don't do this. Okay, don't do to try this to make breakout. So now first topic, exercises. Means not exercises like that, warm up. Okay, with that warm up, you can do many emotions. From emotions, you can go to acting. From this, you can make group improvisation, unit improvisation, and you can say so many dialogues, or you can do many actings without, if you have any pains or nothing, you will get many of this acting. So you are really wonderful to see this video. So watch up to end and practice every day. Don't be silly. Practice every day. You should practice every day this. Otherwise, acting is not good for you. Means it's good, but you should do. Okay, you should do, and you should do hard work. You should do so much hard work. So get started. First one is that you know meditations. Every day we'll do day and night, but we can also do anytime. But don't but do for refreshment. Okay, first keep water on face or anything, and do, if it's winter, you can do in any time because it's very cool. But it's nothing about season, but you should do everyday yoga. And also after this, you know, two types of yoga. These come into pillars of acting. Okay, first you need to know what is pillars of acting. This is the main topic in acting that you need. After I am saying these tips, that you can improve some you can almost it's a diploma, and it's a diploma book that you can read, but in this you can go to higher level with a diploma, but you should take diploma actually. But if small children, nothing. But it's not about it's not my topic, so I will leave it, and I will go to my topic. So meditation, like this you can do meditation. You know meditation, but two types meditation will be pillars of acting. Means these are only warm-ups. Main meditation, two types meditation will come: relaxation and meditation. These will come into that. Means concentration and relaxation. Concentration means you should just concentrate on acting that you want to do. You just concentrate. I will concentrate like that. And you should do minimum 15 minutes a day, 2 times or 3 times. 15 minutes a day, but not one time. 2-3 times 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. It should be 15 minutes. Okay, you can do 15 minutes now. And second, I will go. Actually, we should not do on a bed. So wait a minute, friends. So friends, this is relaxation method in acting. That now I have came from bed to this rod that we walk on that. You can see like this. This is only in this I have came. So you should do here only that on your land. And now friends, you can, I will do this exercise. You can also do. Actually, I want to show. That's why I am doing for you. Okay, these are warm-ups. So take the video. So wait a minute, guys. Again. So friends, I have came to relaxation method. If you have an available to yoga mat or any mat available on your house, actually I want to show, but don't want to sleep. But this is the opportunity, guys. Don't think that it's a fraud. It's real, that I have learned from my master, and I'm showing you. We should do this also 15 minutes. Meditation means it's come to concentration. First method is concentration, second method is relaxation. I have shown first method and second method I will show, but this is the main, and you should be relaxed. If your mind is hot, you can't do acting. Just you need to forget. You can keep in my WhatsApp who likes acting and who want to do acting. I will give the opportunity to do an acting movie. Like new movies are coming in our FCC Film Chamber of Commerce, and I will give the opportunity. You can WhatsApp me. In WhatsApp I will give the number in description. You can call me or chat with me. Okay friends, let's start.
చాలా
పాస్వర్డ్
ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూపించాను.
నా ముఖం రావాలి.
ఇంకా బట్టలు వచ్చేస్తున్నాయి. అడిచారు
లేకపోతే ఆడనే కూర్చుంది.
కూర్చో ఒకసారి కూర్చో.
లేకపోతే ఈడనే పడుకొని చేద్దాం.
ఇంకేముంది,
ఇంకేదో పడుకొని తీద్దాం. ఇదే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ వస్తుంది.
పడుకొని తీస్తావు చెప్తాను కదా.
సరే ఆడరా, పంచండిరా.
ఇక్కడ కూర్చోవా?
కూర్చుంటా.
ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటే పడుకొని చెప్తావు క్లాస్.
ఇప్పుడు ఆ గోడకి వెళ్దాం.
ఎందుకు?
లేకపోతే ఉండి నేను తీసుకుంటాలే.
అరే రా, ఏం కావాలా నీకు చెప్పు. నాకు
ఏం లేదు, ఆడి ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలి. నన్ను అయిపోయింది. మెడిటేషన్ చూపించాలి.
ఇంకా మెడిటేషన్ చూపించాలా? ఏడ కిందనా?
ఈడనే మంచం మీద చేయొచ్చు.
కింద
ఆయన చెప్పిండు శవాసనం ఎప్పుడు మంచం మీద చేయొద్దు.
ఇంకా చెప్పు.
మెడిటేషన్
ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఆన్ చేయాలనా? ఆన్ చేయాలనా?
So friends, I have started and I have relaxed so much and I got very mind fresh. You can also do. I will keep an audio. With that audio, you can practice this warm up. It's main, friends. It's main, really main, and it's one of the pillars, and it's in two types. One of the pillars, relaxation and concentration. So friends, now I will show an audio that you can follow it. Okay friends, I will play that audio and take small break. Just you have seen me how I am active, and now my voice is changed now. Can you say what is the reason? Okay, I will say. Just I am today active to say and to do your all that, and I want to teach you. So friends, now I will play one audio. You can take the break. Okay friends. So friends, actually sorry friends, because now the audio is really so much time, up to it's 15 minutes. Actually now so much time has finished. So you can ask me in WhatsApp, or I will only send I will make a link. You can listen that voice in I will do another video. In that I will just I will give introduction, and one background will be, and the voice will be playing. You can do. Actually in this also parts are there, but this is about and next class is about your meditation. Yeah, memory power meditation. Actually I have did memory part 1 and memory part 2, and in that type 1. Now I need to do type 2. So before that I will do this meditation. In the memory power also we need, but now I am going to my topic, and now concentration, relaxation are finished, and last one is, can you guess? Memory, observation and more. What is another one? Vision, supervision. What is that? I will give time, and you can guess it. So friends, enjoy this background. Actually I made for this background, so you can enjoy. Done guys. So guys, enjoy the background guys. So friends, I thought you enjoyed this background. Actually, I am really happy today. Yes, today I am really happy. It's not my birthday, but I am really too happy, friends, because I want to show this background from so many days. I have showed this background today. Today, your surprise. Yeah. This is the surprise. Actually, what is the surprise? You can think. All surprises can be like birthday cakes or anything. But what is this surprise? Okay friends, this is the top one. And actually, you can enjoy the pandas, and all like pandas. Actually, these animals be in China. So friends, today's surprise is this poster. Okay friends, so today I am really happy because of this, to show my background from so many days. So friends, you have enjoyed this background, and we'll start again. Means we'll go to our topic. Okay, friends. Now you have guessed, I think so. What is that? Guess, guess, guess. Guess another word. What? That you will. I will not say that word, but I will say im. I am. Okay, first letters. I am. Then what is that? I am A. I am A. Okay, friends, only 3. This is the main, and you will get dreams with this. And in this, you can. I am making this sound, so you can say it. You can keep in my WhatsApp. And imagination. Yes, imagine. That guess called another word. Imagine. Yeah, imagine. So friends, what is imagine? Imagination. Imagination. With this imagination, we'll get acting. If we don't have a brain, so we can't do acting. That's why you should thank your body that God has given us body to do this much big one. So now I am going to my language. Only one sentence means one sentence. I will say in our language. Yes. మనకి దేవుడు ఈ శరీరం ఇచ్చినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకోండి. ఈ శరీరం ఉంటేనే మనం ఇమాజిన్ చేయగలుగుతున్నాం, ఇంకా ఆడగలుగుతున్నాం, వంట చేయగలుగుతున్నాం, ఇలాగా చదవగలుగుతున్నాం. వీటి వల్లనే మనము ఫోన్ చూడగలుగుతున్నాం, వీడియోస్ చూడగలుగుతాం, ఇంకా ఏంటది నడవగలుగుతాం, ఇలాగా ఎన్నో పనులు చేయగలం. కాబట్టి మన బాడీ కోసం మీరన్నా ఇంత ఒక హెల్పింగ్ లాంటిది చూపించండి. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, అయితే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇంగ్లీష్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాను. ఇది ఒక్క మాట చెప్పడానికి. మీకు నిన్న ఒక కొటేషన్ చెప్పాను, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు ఒక కొటేషన్ చెప్పాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఇదొక్కటి చెప్పడానికి నేను తెలుగులో చెప్పాను. కాబట్టి దీనికోసమన్నా సబ్స్క్రైబ్, లైక్, షేర్, ఇంకా గంట సింబల్ని నొక్కండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇప్పుడు చెప్తే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తారు కదా ఫ్రెండ్స్. చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్, చేయండి. ఇంకా చేయకపోతే చెయ్యండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. మీకు చాలా బెనిఫిట్ వస్తుంది. ఈ వీడియోస్తో చాలా అంటే చాలా బెనిఫిట్స్ వస్తుంది. ఎక్కడ అంత ఈజీగా చెప్పరు, మీకు అంత ఈజీగా ఎవరు చెప్పరు. డిప్లొమా అంటే ఒక 70,000 అలా తీసుకొని నేను నేర్చుకున్నాను. కాబట్టి అంత ఈజీగా ఎవరు ఫ్రీగా చెప్పరు. కాబట్టి నేర్చుకోండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. కాబట్టి మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్, లైక్, ఇంకా షేర్ చేయండి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి. మీరు ఇంకా ఫ్రెండ్స్ చూస్తూ ఉంటే మన ఛానల్ ఒక పెద్ద ఫ్యామిలీలా క్రియేట్ అవుతుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, నౌ I am going to show another one, that imagination. We have 5 topics. Now I have did 5 topics, and in that 5 topics we have dialogues, and in this only we'll get dialogues friends. Okay friends, in this only we'll get dialogues friends. Dialogues and imagination we will get 3 means 3 ports. Ports means nothing but groups like, but it's not group. Probes. Okay friends, pokes, provokes. You can say anything. So these are 3 ports. P-O-R-T-S, P-R-O-V-S. Provokes, Okes. So friends, this is our, and tomorrow again our guest will come. You like him so much, so tomorrow you have again happiness with our guest that he have came. So now it's our diploma class, so he did not came because he can't ask questions in acting. Okay friends, he is an knowledge teacher, so he can ask English like subjects he can ask, but not this one. So friends, tomorrow you will invite your guest. Our guest will come tomorrow. Yeah. So now in the 3 parts, I am saying that 3 parts. First one is improvisation, guided improvisation, group improvisation. Improvisation means single improvisation, guided improvisation, group improvisation. Okay friends, improvisation means only one is going to do. One is the improvisation, nothing but comedy that if your grandfather died and you are crying and just you got that ego. Yes, he died. Like you are getting bad manners. It's bad, and there are 2 types, and the only one improvisation, and it's another. It have 2. So friends, I forgot to tell that in meditation that I have did know, it have some like pranamasana and om. You know, like you have to do om, om, like this you have to do. And next another one is Sasmin Abhinay. That is like it's, you know, this pranamasana. So this is pranamasana. So friends, I forgot to tell, and now we will go to improvisation. Improvisation, it have 2. Actually I have said 3 parts. In 3 parts, the 3 parts are in improvisation, and that improvisation is in group improvisation or unit improvisation. Because of that, they say that it's parts, and but there are not 3, but after there will be 2. Okay, this is improvisation. And improvisation, afterwards unit improvisation. In that improvisation will get 2 types. I have said one is negative and one is positive. Unit improvisation is not good, but group improvisation is good. Yeah, good, and many people will be there. Okay friends, many people, not 1, 2 or 3, more than 3, 4, 5, 6, like that there. So group improvisation rules are that. So friends, these are improvisation and imagination finished. So our 5 topics I am going to say. So but I will show that so friends, actually guided improvisation, actually I have camera problem. Actually camera is adjusted. Actually I can't move it, so I will take this videos after the video. Means another video I will take this half of that I have taken some topics. So which topics I have missed, I will show that on next video. After meditation video I will show it. And now we will go to observation and memory. These are both only one. Actual memory power I have said actually, in that only memory, and observation nothing but if you want to see acting, your heroes, favorite heroes are there, no? Means Prabhas, or like Sanjeevi, Shah Rukh Khan, Allu Arjun, and Govardhan, Samantha, Anushka, Mahesh Babu, like your favorite heroes, heroines. Just you see the movies. So like that, if you see the movies, just watch their acting, what they do. Just see the acting. Don't enjoy. Just see that. Just I have said in public speaking, eye contact. With that eye contact method, you should see that movie carefully. Okay, just to see the actions. Like this. So, by seeing that, your brain will be stored and you will start doing acting. But you need to practice. It will not come easily, but you can remember that actions. Okay, friends? And now I am going to say this another warm-ups. Actually, these are the pillars of acting. And now I am going to say the warm-ups. First warm-up is just meditation and relaxation actually. Just Swasingya, Abhinay and Om I have said before because they come into meditation. So I said. Now another one is, okay friends, another one is vocal variety. Okay friends, already I have said in public speaking, and vocal variety is come to voice modulation. You have to be bold, but you have an exercise with that. You can make your voice bold, bold, bold. Okay friends, first you need to try more that you need first warm up of this vocal variety and voice variation is just bark. And another one is voice opener. Voice opener not to bark. Bark means dog will bark, dog. Okay. So I will start it. Ho! 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 And ho! 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 Like that, you have to do this voice barking and voice open up. Okay, friends, how my voice is bold, you can see. You can imagine like tiger. Okay, friends. And now another topic is facial exercise. Facial exercise is nothing but your face will be fit. You will be laughing, or angry means angry you will come. That actions are first action. Just make your jaw strong. Okay, friends. 2 for 5 minutes each and every exercise. Okay, friends. Like this you have to do, but don't touch with hands. Don't blink, okay? Don't do. Just see like this. Like tiger or lion. I can't do actually here. So much air is coming. means with the air the ice will cool, that will blink. So you can do in home. And next one is both. Not like this. So friends, these are the warm-ups that I have said today, and now I will keep emotions because it will be so much time. Actually, now only means 40 minutes like that it will happen. So friends, I will do this all in next video. Meditation and improvisation means imagination and emotions. Emotions and imagination are same video. There will be 1 hour. Watch perfectly and learn. And after emotions, you will be perfect learning. Okay, friends. This is the and part 2 will become soon. Actually, part 2 only the doubts. Actually, this is only part 1. But doubts I will clear in next video. So friends, now my video finished, and last exercise is tongue exercise. You need to make some children will stutter. They can't talk. They will. I said in last video about memory power. So friends, like that don't do means you should do this. Just make your tongue front. Okay friends, actually I can't do it. I can't do it, but another exercise, if you don't like it, if you are shy, so don't be shy. In acting, don't be shy. Remove the shyness and do this acting. Okay friends, if you were, I have another one, that one mantra will be there. That mantra is Anjananka Manjanana. Speedily you have to say Anjananka Manjanana, Anjanana, Anjanana, Manjanana. The words are Anjanana, Manjanaka. Okay, Anjanana, Manjanana. Okay, Manjanana. Okay, these are the words that you have to Anjanana, Manjanana, Anjanana, Manjanana, Anjanana, Manjanana. Like that, these are the words that you have practiced in tongue. So friends, the words that you have, I think that you not hear. I will say that Anjanana, Manjanaka. Okay friends, these are the words. Actually, I think I need to also practice. Okay friends, I need to also practice, and I should be also actually. I have did 2 movies, and I will give introduction at last when my subscribers will be more. So friends, if you want to hear my introduction video, just face reveal. All the team will be come here, and at that time you will see our face reveal, but not now. After, but it's a trick. After the subscribers will be more, I will do my introduction video, face reveal, called face reveal. And now, thank you friends. to watch this video. Thank you, friends, and very fast I will release the part 2 also. I means doubts video. So friends, bye friends, and please like, share, subscribe, and press that bell icon. So guys, tada bye.